Hello, I'm here to walk you through how to access security alerts on Messenger. First thing you do is click on the three lines at the top left corner. Then click on the setting icon in the top right corner. Scroll down to privacy and privacy and safety actually. Then click on end-to-end encrypted chats. Once you've done that, you select security alerts, which is the second option. Then manage security alerts. Here you have two options. You can turn on your devices or keys change, so you'll be alerted. Contact device or keys change, you can also turn it off. This will show you alerts when you or your contacts log in on a new device or change keys. This alerts will appear in settings, while the alerts for your own contacts will appear in your chats with them. Then you can also view all logins. These logins can send and receive end-to-end encrypted messages or calls. So here you can see all the devices your messenger has been logged in.